Good morning, Wilson Creek students and staff. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Today is Earth Day. I hope you get to spend some time outside enjoying our planet today. Hello to our Tennyson family, Mrs. Zuccato, Miss Swanberg, and Mrs. Bergman's class. Hello to all of you, our Blue family. Thanks to the Blue family adults for sending us a special message with your cheer last week, too. We enjoyed that. Thank you. Happy birthday today on April 22nd to Clinton Bachman and Hayden Kozar. Please stand and join me for our pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today I will do my personal best. What I do today will make a difference. I will listen, I will follow directions, I will be honest, I will respect the rights of others. I can learn, I will learn. All right, have a wonderful Wednesday, Wilson Creek. Bye.